Okay, I used to teach this like a complete idiot. All these problems you can forget about A and B. Okay. Here's what the problem says. A store selling very expensive items will on February the 8th sell any item for $50 less than the listed price. So everything's got to be over $50, otherwise it's free. Okay, on any day in February, the store will also give a discount of 15% to any customer who can prove that he or she contributed to local charities. So that's our situation. Now, here's what it says. Compose two equations together so that $50 comes first. Here's all I need you to do, okay? This is that easy because we want to get down to here. Okay, now I don't know what my price is, so I want you to put X right there. Okay, X is dollars. Okay, here, put X is dollars right there. I know you think, oh, Y is always dollars. No, just trust me here. We're not dealing really in units, dealing with compositions. Now, find the actual dollar amount from the problem, $50 less. So that would mean I'd take whatever price I have and minus 50 less. Now, next we look at our percent. Now, percent and money is multiplied. Okay, so I put a times dot. Now I'm a 50, but you're not going to put point. You're not going to put 0.15. Okay, you got to understand this. Don't draw this circle, but I have 100%. Now 15% is taken away. Well, 100 minus 15 is 85%. Okay. So you're going to put 0.85 as your multiplying number. You can't just put 85 either. It's got to be a decimal. Okay. Now write the same thing here. 0.85 multiplied by X minus 50. Now we need to put parentheses around what comes first. So $50 off comes first. So we parenthesize the X minus 50. I still want 0.85 times, because parentheses always come first. Okay, now to do the 15% discount first, then you parenthesize the multiplication part. Okay? All right, that's all you do. Now, if an item costs $400, calculate the cost from each composition. So that means you're going to put $400 in for X. So I got 0.85 times parentheses, and then 400 minus 50, because I would take 400 minus 50 first, then take it times 0.85. So that's $297.50. Okay. Now here, parenthesize, and then parentheses right away, 0.85 times X. So X is 400. Close it. Then minus 50. So 290. Okay, the prices are always a little bit different. So if I'm a customer, I want them to do the percent first. Okay, because I want it to be cheaper. If I'm selling it, I want to do the $50 off first. I want it to be more expensive if I'm selling. Okay, next problem. You make a purchase at a local hardware store, but what you bought's too big to take home in your car. For a small fee, you arrange to have the hardware store deliver your purchase for you. You pay for your purchase plus the sales tax plus the fee. Please read the problem before you write it down, okay? Taxes are 7% and fees $20. Get rid of the A and B. I don't need that, okay? So we got X dollars, okay? Now first thing, find the actual dollar amount. Now that fee is being added. You see the word plus. That last time I checked, that meant add $20 to our cost, because this is a dollar amount. Okay, then the percent is multiplied by the price. Now, a tax is not subtracted. You don't take 100 minus 7 like you did on the last problem with 15. You add 7 to it. So that'd be 107%. So as a decimal, if it's over 100%, we write that as 1.07. And then here's the same thing, 1.07 times x plus 20. These look the same to start with. Now, parenthesize what comes first. So the tax needs to be applied first here. So I parenthesize the tax part. Here they want the delivery fee applied first, which is the $20. So parenthesize X with the plus 20, okay? Now figure out the cost of $500 china cabinet with each composition, okay? So here I go parentheses 1.07 times 500, because 500 is going in for X. Then plus 20, $555 will be the cost there. Okay, now I take my 1.07 times, but now my parentheses shifts so that 500 goes in for X plus 20. Okay, $556.40. Boom. Now, the book wants you to use f of x and g of x. No, nobody would ever do that, okay? This next one I don't like, okay? And I really don't like this next one, okay? Next one. Store's having a 12% off sale on everything they sell. You personally have a $10 off coupon on anything you buy. Okay, so I got my whatever I'm buying is X dollars. So find your actual dollar amount, $10 off. So I would be minusing 10. Now with the percent, okay, that's multiplication. You got to read what it says, 12% off. That would be taking 100% and subtracting 12%. You have to deal with 100%. You either have to subtract from it or add to it. Obviously, a minus, I'd subtract. That's 88%. That's 0.88. Okay. Okay, now here I want to arrange this so the percent comes first. So we parenthesize the X with the percent. Here they want the $10 off first. So I put parenthesize the X with the minus 10. And then I know that operation will be done first. Here that operation will be done first. So I take 0.88 times, they tell me that X is $150. Times 150, close it, subtract 10. It will times and then minus 10 after that. So that's $122. Okay, now here I take my 0.88. multiplied by the parentheses 150 minus 10. Now it will minus first before it times. $123.20. They always end up just a little bit different. That's all you do. I only need to see work on part C and D. Part E you use, but you just put it in for X. Okay, guys, that's what I have to say on that today. Hope it's been informative.